Namaste to all students. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about potato osmoscope to understand osmosis process. First of all, we have to know about the osmosis process. So the transfer of a molecule or a solvent from a semi-permeable membrane from its higher concentration to lower concentration is known as osmosis process. Here we will perform osmosis process by using potato osmoscope. This is a model to understand the osmosis process. First of all, I will tell you about the three types of solutions. First is hypotonic solution, second is hyper, and third one is isotonic solution. If in a solution, solute concentration is very high and solvent concentration is low, so it is known as hypertonic. If in the second type, if solute concentration is low and solvent concentration is high, so this kind of a solution is known as hypotonic. And if talk about the isotonic solution, so solute and solvent concentration will be equal to each other. That's why it is known as isotonic solution. Here we have already peeled potato. We have prepared a hole in this potato, and we just create a equal base to just put it into a petri dish plate. Here we will use simple water solution, which is like a solvent, and this is sugar solution where already sugar is added in water in higher amount. So this kind of a solution is hypertonic solution, or you can say this kind of a solution is actually only having solvent, so you can identify it as a hypotonic solution. So basically solvent will move from its hypotonic solution to hypertonic solution. Just water molecules will move from their higher concentration to lower concentration. With the semi-permeable membrane, means here potato walls will perform as a semi-permeable membrane. They will allow water molecule from the petri plate into their wall. So this is the complete whole roll model of potato osmoscope. Here we are putting water into petri plate. On the other hand, we are adding just hypertonic solution, and then we will mark the label by using all pen. Here already, and we will wait for the osmosis process. So in this process, at the end of the process, we will get to know that water molecules will move towards the wall, and they will enter into the well, and the level of the solution will be higher from the marked space. So here we have already a model. You can simply see that this is the last, this is the previous marking where we added only hypertonic solution, and after few hours water molecules move from the petri plate into the well, and solution level becomes higher, and this is the new marking of the label. This one is the previous, when only solution were added, which was hypertonic, and after the osmosis process water molecule moved from the petri plate into the well, and it elevates the level of hypertonic solution, or you can say water molecule added into the hypertonic solution, and then level becomes high. So this is the proof that in the osmosis process solvent molecules move from their higher concentration to their lower concentration just to create a equal volume, equal concentration towards the both side of semi-permeable membrane. So this is basically process is known as osmosis process, and this process has no kind of energy use, so this is passive transport completely. So here is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.